Hi Kickstarter, my name is Brent, the founder of Tactika. Much like you, I never had to wear a mask, and I imagine, just like you, quickly found out how difficult it is to breathe, how uncomfortable they are, they constantly fog my glasses, and they completely lack any style. To fix all these problems, we determined that the entire counter-opposing attachment system of every mask had to change. The straps had to go. But how? We figured it out. Most technical eyewear in the world meet most advanced mask ever. Now wearing a mask in complete comfort and style is just a snap away. Let us explain what just happened. We replaced the uncomfortable straps and replaced them with a patented system consisting of 14 incredibly light and powerful magnets. By changing the attachment system, we were able to fix every problem with masks. Let's start with the biggest problem, breathability. The filter is now magnetically held by two grills, a front grill that keeps the filter in place and a back grill which makes it virtually impossible to touch your mouth or your nose. We now breathe exactly like we do without a mask. There is no difference at all. The suffocating problem is completely solved, and girls, you can wear lipstick again. And so you can wear your mask at day and night, we designed Tactika with a complete magnetic interchange lens system. Our main offer comes with a polarized sun lens, like you would have on your best sunglasses. Exclusive for Kickstarter, you can also choose from a series of lenses specifically designed to wear at night. And as far as the problem with eating and drinking when wearing a mask, our snaps on and off so fast and easy, it's problem solved. The second biggest problem with masks is comfort. They are difficult to wear for minutes, let alone hours. We decided to co-inject the entire contour of the mask with an incredibly soft rubber for even more soft touch comfort. For perfect fit and adjustability, we added wire cord adjustable arms. We can promise you, your mask and glasses are not going anywhere without you. The next problem we solved is fogging. So we created an entire patented fog barrier that eliminates this problem. This with our anti-fog coating, your fogging days are over. Let's talk about styling. Tactika masks are precision molded, so unlimited in style, from the most conservative to stylish painted ones. To fantasy versions, you would be proud to wear to Comic-Con. The choice is yours. We also have many glasses styles available, and every one of them is interchangeable with every mask. Even our front grille styles exchange, so with a simple snap off and snap on, you have a complete new look. We also wanted a visor style, but did not want to repeat their problems. For one thing, do not spend too much money with your hairdresser. And also, where do you put them when you take them off? As you can see, we simply do not have that problem. The solution was to make precision molds and make them incredibly sleek and stylish. This also allows us to offer them in all clear or with gradiated effects. We also created a patented diffusion technology. In theory, it should give us the best protection available, but for us, theory alone was not good enough. So we submitted Tactika to the world's most recognized experts to test against other masks. The results speak for themselves. Our theory became a reality. We're changing the way you wear masks. We're Tactika.
Thank you, Kickstarter!